Hey guys, I just wanted to unbox another phone here. This is the Xiaomi Mi Note 2, and I was a huge fan of the Mi Note 1, so I wanted to do a unboxing of this phone, which looks absolutely epic here in terms of the design. So we're going to have a look at it here and see what it brings to the table. So do we have any tape? Can't seem to see any, so just put the knife to the side and let's have a look what we're getting. What are we getting? Whoa, Galaxy Note 7, back from the dead. You see, the spirit of the Note 7 does live on in Xiaomi. Wow, that feels fantastic. Look at that. Curved display. Oh my god, Xiaomi, you stepped up your game. Wow, this is just giving me Note 7 vibes so much. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Now you just need the S Pen and you're sorted. Wow, this looks fantastic. So we're just going to have a look at what you get in the box as well. So we can see, we're getting a case, which is very nice, SIM tool, and the charger. I'm not sure if this is a fast charger, but I'm guessing it is putting out a lot of heat to keep the lights on. Oh, look at this. Isn't this a curvy boy? Wow. Just get this all unpeeled. Nice. Look at that. That's like a jet black kind of finish here. And the front. Wow. That is very nice. So you can see Xiaomi is certainly wanting to step up to the big boys here when it comes to smartphones. I mean, this is like the Note. This is the Note 7 back from the dead. It's unbelievable. So similar. Like you've got the same like clicky button here, same Type C port, pretty much identical. Wow, I bet it slips like hell. Let's see. There you can see it does slip a little bit, but it looks quite beast though, if you ask me, and that you know, something nice here. So we're just going to power it up. Let's hope we do have juice. I think it's coming with a Quad HD Super AMOLED display as well. You know, of the good stuff variety. Good stuff variety. AMOLED is always good. Oh, that was a quick boot. So let's have a look, shall we? Wow. Look at this. Yes. I hope they've not ruined the software experience, because that would be very annoying. So let's have a look at the display on full brightness. Oh, some nice sounds coming out of it. I do like that. So let's see. Look at this. It curves around the edges, the actual like stuff. That is very nice. I do like that. And the actual price of this isn't as expensive as what you'd pay for like a Note 8. At least where I got it for €500. So, you know, it's quite affordable if you're looking for a high-end phone. So let's just see what we are running. So this one is 4 gigs of RAM. I think you can get a 6 gig RAM model, but it wasn't available to me. We're running Android Marshmallow. Would like to see Nugget, maybe. See if we've got any updates. I need to connect to something, I think. Let's see. So we get 5G support. Wow, typing on this thing is amazing. So I don't think the clickiness of the button is quite there yet with Samsung's quality, if I'm going to be honest with you, but it does feel very good in terms of the feedback, so they are definitely improving. So you can see we're getting a massive update here, which I will download and check it out. But you can see everything seems to open up nice and fast here. There does seem to be some Mandarin stuff on there, but maybe we can sort all that out. You get your Play Store, which is good as well. So let's just have a look at the camera here. And boom. So I forget what the actual specs are here of this camera, but I'm expecting it to bring some good stuff. It's not a cheap device, so you can see straight away the shot seems to be nice and sharp, and we're getting quite a few modes here, you can see. And the video. See what we get here. Whoa. Let's try that again. There's a little bit of a delay there, which makes me do that. So you do get the 4K, which is good. Ooh. I do like Xiomi sounds. So we'll definitely check out the camera quality on this one. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing here of the Xiaomi Mi Note 2, and I'm sure some of you want to see some stuff here with this phone. So do let me know and see what you want to see. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.